I have a question for you. Is there a dish that you always seem to order whenever you go out, but for one reason or another, you never make it when you're at home? Well, for me, that's stuffed shrimp. After making it recently and realizing how easy it is, I was hooked. It's so good, as a matter of fact, I think it would be the perfect addition to your Good Friday or Easter dinner lineup. To make it, all we do is combine some crab meat with breadcrumbs, a bit of finely chopped celery, a little mayo, a shake of Worcestershire sauce, lemon juice, and a few spices. After that's mixed, we set it aside for a sec while we shell some large shrimp, leaving the tails on. Then with a paring knife, we cut a slit down the back of each shrimp, about halfway through, just deep enough to stuff. Now we mound a heaping teaspoon of the stuffing into the slit and gently pack it down. Right before dinner, we drizzle them with melted butter, sprinkle on a little paprika, and into the oven they go. Once the shrimp turns pink and the filling gets golden, they're ready to serve. So what do you say you go online and get the recipe for our baked overstuffed shrimp so you can impress your gang with an easy yet fancy restaurant favorite? I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a special way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. You love your food.